Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gabriel Entertainment. I'm the founder of Gabriel Dance Academy, which is 12 years old, and you're going to learn from me how to dance for Ranjithame song with easy steps. Now let us start learning. Left leg, left hand, right hand for you. Okay? Now let us start. We start from left hand. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, close, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Repeat this step 2 times. Now let us go to the next step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, left side, 1 and 2, right, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, right, left, right. Hope you got it. Now right leg forward, right leg back. 1 and 2, right leg up, 1 and 2, right leg up, 1 and 2, right leg up, 1 and 2, right leg up. Now don't keep your legs down, you'll keep it on your right. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Hope you got it till here. Now let us do the next step. Sun step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Watch again. 1, 2, 3, go. Right. Keep your right hand up so that this comes down. Right hand comes down. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right, left, right. Keep up. I'll do faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right. Keep up. I'll do slower. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, here, right. If I do this, right. Together. Don't do this. Together you do. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, left, right. Keep up. Turn. I'm down. So go up, down, left leg out, in, out, in, boom and boom. Left leg, and right, left, right. Okay, if you don't get it, rewind the video and watch. Let us do the next step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Left leg, left, right and point, turn around, left leg, right leg, up and down, eyes, shake. Now heel forward, heel back. 1, 2, 3, go. Heel forward, heel back. 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick, joint, up, right hand, down, right hand, right leg cross and turn. Don't turn fully. Okay. You will do a turn pante. Now I'm going to open my legs. Ranjithame. First Ranjithame. Second. Ranjithame. Second. Ranjithame. Third. Heart. Up. Down. Okay. Now come shoulder step. Right. Left. Right. Left. Drum. Roll. Clap. So clap position on that chair. You must have already learned the steps. It's so easy. So I will also teach you how to do. Right leg out. In. Tuni kasto terima. Kastigiringa. Washing machine vele. So let us start washing the clothes. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Tap left tap right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. தளபதி விஜய் ஸ்டைல் எண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோமா இல்லை நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுமா. வில் டூ ரஷ்மி. அவங்க டான்ஸ் ஸ்டெப் கற்றுக்கலாம். அவங்க பேர் சரியாக வாயில் வர மாட்டேங்குது. ரஷ்மிகா வந்தனா நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, லெட் அஸ் டூ அ ஸ்டெப். 1. ஓகே, 1, 2, 3, go. ரைட் லெக் ஃபார்வர்ட், லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் அப், ரோல் பேக். ரைட் லெக் ஃபார்வர்ட், ரைட் லெக் பேக், ரோல் பேக், ஷோல்டர். ஓகே, 1, 2. First slow, upper fast. 1, 2, 3, go. Slow, fast. Same leg, right shoulder. Same leg, left shoulder, and then right shoulder. Okay, next step. You're going right side. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, go. Right side, left side, right side, left side for 4 times. Okay, you're going to stand and do in the same side. Right, left, 1. So legs facing in, hand facing in, out, on, down. Try that step again. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right, left, up, down, up, hip. Kaal ange irukkutom. Let us start learning the next step. Into girl style varadu, but I'm still teaching you the girl step so that it will be easy for you. If any girl is learning, let her also learn the step. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, bang, bang. 1, 2, 3, bang, bang. 1, 2, 3, bang, bang. Totally 3 times. Left hand here, right hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ranjithame. Left hand here, right hand here. Ranjithame and Ranjithame. Hope you got it. If you did not get any dance step, please rewind the video, pause it, play it again and learn. Okay, thank you for supporting me. If you like, give me a big thanks, which is below. I'll be very happy. To see the dance with the music, check out my actor Gabriel Prabhu channel, or I will pin the video here. Can you see? Here, I'll pin it here. You can learn from here. Thank you for watching.